This is a quick video showing off some of the features of Unity Serializer version 0.7, which hopefully is going to show you how we can serialize angry bots, build a full save game feature very quickly indeed. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to import the latest package into the project. Now when we've done that, we get a new Unity Serializer menu, and we get a new wizard we can get, and we can just drop that into our editor here, and it's going to help us out as we configure this scene. So the first thing it's saying in red here is it says we need a save game manager, and I can create one of those just by clicking on create a new save game manager, and that's created a new object called save game manager in the hierarchy. So I'm also going to add to that the new pause menu. It's a JavaScript example. We'll just drop that on there. It'll give us saving on a pause menu, and we'll call it Angry Box Level 1. And that'll do for that. Now we need to go and sort out what we're going to actually save and load in this game. So we want to save the player. I'm going to click on player. And you can see here in the wizard, I can set up some information on player, whether to save information about them, and also I've got this player and all of its children. So I'm just going to say store everything on player and all of its children. And you can see here we've got storing information appeared, and you can see here in the hierarchy view we can see that each of these items is stored. If you don't like that, you can turn it off by clicking this button, but it's very handy. Next off, we'll store all of the enemies. So I'm just going to click on enemies and children, store information. Let's do the dynamic environment and the semi-static environment, and that'll do. So next, what we have to do is we have to capture all of the objects that we've saved into that save game manager before we load the scene the first time, and now there's a helpful button for that. So when I click capture all objects, it's going to run the scene for a few seconds. It's then going to capture all those objects and then save the scene afterwards, so we're all configured and ready to go now. So what we'll do then is we'll go and turn the volume down. So you can hear me speak, and we'll run the game. So now the control has a P to pause key, so we'll get ourselves into some trouble as per usual. Pause the game. Just go down here and delete those old save games which are on my player already. We'll just click save game. Angry Box Level 1, okay, we'll just move off, come back over here, open this door, save the game, and pause and go through, and save the game there. Over here somewhere, something shot dead, blow him up, and come over here, activate the spider enemy, and save the game. Okay, so that's it. We should now be able to just go and load back anywhere we want to, so we'll go and load back the first scene we came up with. There they are. As you can see, they're now all animate properly, no problems there. Let's pause the game. At a different level. And we are being chased inside here. And finally, let's have a look at that last one. And here we are being shot at by this guy. Okay, so as you can see, the wizard makes it extremely fast to configure a level, and a lot of the new enhancements to Unity Serializer mean there's very little you have to do. Now you probably wouldn't want to store all of this information next to everything in a real game just because it would get a bit big. You probably want to go and think about it a bit more, but you now can pretty much just go and save everything to start with and then weed out the bits you don't want later. Hopefully that's been useful. Thanks for watching.